Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Interesting. How should we do this? Let's start by doing a margin. Looks like 20, could be 25 and 50. And then from the bottom, looks like it's going to be 145, so 155. Let's see what that looks like. That looks like that encompasses that. Then if we do border inline, 40 pixels, solid, the grey, make that 50. Okay, that looks good. Get rid of this outline. We'll set the background to this blue. And then set the bottom margin of this to minus 145, no, 140. How about 130? 130 looks good. Minus 50 on both sides. Maybe 100. 20. And we'll also put a non-breaking space there. Okay. Now then, do border. Radius 50%. Border solid 50 pixels. And let's change this a bit. So let's get rid of that bit and do border width 50, 0, 50, 50. Wrong 0. Might be 0. Oh. That's not what I want either. Let's try 0. No. Might not be able to do it like that. Might need to use 2 radial gradients, will probably be the easiest way. So let's do a background. Right, let's define a radial gradient first. We'll call it C. Radial gradient. No. Can we do this? Not exactly as I want to, so hang on. Let's do radial gradient 100% 0. Let's remember a 1Q. I think they're going to be circles. And we want transparent. 80 pixels. Color to 130 pixels and transparent. Oops, I need a 0 here. And then we're going to need to shift this. So minus 180 pixels. 70 pixels. Perfect. So let's get this part out. Then we copy this, paste it like that. Do this 0, 0, and comma. And the back end failed. Let's try that again. And that is 100%. Now, is there a better way we could have done this? Not that I can think of right now. So let's minify and unit replace. And check that we're still all good. And also take that space out, and that space out. And that is still 100%. So I am reasonably happy with that. This we might get away with 137Q, maybe 138. We'll try one and then the other. Come on. Right, 137 fails. How about 138? I think that's more likely to fail. Okay, so we will leave that as 130 pixels. And yeah. Okay. Well, that's where I'm going to leave it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.